Yeah. Jesus. Oh, he's still there. Remember, it's not barbed.
Right.
Got a big one on there, Sean?
It's not huge.
I'm videoing it. Send this to Jerome.
Jeepers creepers. Whatever this is huge.
You got a lot of line out, don't you?
Yeah. Well, he freaking ran for how long?
Yeah.
My arm's getting tired. Holy fuck, whatever this is ginormous.
It's all right. Take it.
It's a sturgeon. Holy shit. I have no idea how much line is out right now. There's a shit ton.
You got a lot on your reel.
Holy shit.
Oh, he's creaking on that thing.
Dude, what the fuck is this thing?
I'm scared to see what it is when it comes out of that hole.
I have no idea how much line he has out. It's gotta be a sturgeon.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Now look at that, Sean.
You dare tighten up any?
I did a little bit.
I mean, you gotta gain on him at some point, but you're gonna have to wear him down first.
I know, that's just it.
You have to wear that sucker down.
He's gonna run my line out.
Yeah, probably.
I mean, he is.
Yeah.
There's nothing I can do. Get your gloves on.
Huh?
Said, get your gloves on.
You got any gloves?
No, I'm kidding. We'll probably never get him.
Oh.
He's literally gonna run my line out.
Yeah, but we can wear him down. No. Did you lose him? No. Here.
Yep.
Got that? I will. I can fit through the hole. I'll go down after him. Oh yeah, you got some line out. Holy shit.
Yeah. There he goes again.
Should I reel my lines up, Sean?
Yeah.
It's 5.5 minutes. How long does that feel?
Here's somebody's line.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Do you think, are you on my line?
I'm probably on
Yep,
yours.
yep.
Like.
Wait, do you just want me to cut this?
Nah,
Well, we might be able to get that lure. Here, next time I reel, it might come up.
might.
Holy shit.
Okay, you're on hook.
Yeah, reel yours up.
You should be able to reel yours up.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I can see horizontal line going straight across. So he had to have hooked that.
There's Rick's.
Yep.
Yep, I think I got another.
Yep.
Sorry.
That's all right. He might be tiring out.
Or gaining right now.
Okay.
Do you want me to cut this?
No.
Is it in the way?
There, it popped off.
Yep. Popped
Okay.
out.
Alright.
Mine's going back your way.
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm sorry. Let me get this up.
He doesn't like that stuff in his mouth.
This is awesome. Jeez, there he goes again. Oh my god, everything I just got on him is fucking gone.
Right.
Yeah, he's got to tire out eventually, right?
Yep.
Oh, that might be. Is that mine?
Oh, maybe it is. That one's
I'm
still
so-
going. Okay.
Yeah.
It's still videoing. Go ahead. Yep, that is yours.
Yes. 8 minutes, Shano.
Come on. Think you're wearing them down.
My fucking hand's going to sleep.
He's gonna go ape shit when he sees this hole.
Yep.
Yeah. Holy crap. There it goes again.
Be smoke break. Beer break.
Yeah, beer break. You just don't see this ice fishing. Fight something this long. He goes the other way. Going that way.
Way that way. Holy shit.
What's he catching? Ice?
Catches on the ice every now and then.
Yeah, yeah. Run again.
I feel like my drag's about right.
Yeah, yeah. I think so. I think you're right.
to you.
Oh, wouldn't this be freaking great if it was a 29?
Oh, I think it's way bigger than that.
You think it's a northern? Come on, buddy. I keep thinking that line snaps every time that happens.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, boy.
Like lifting a brick.
Oh, it's fucking heavy.
Yeah, he doesn't like this.
Jeepers.
This reminds me of Jaws when when the shark just takes the line like way off the boat.
Yep.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. You can tell when he gives up.
Right.
Like you can feel it. Feel it.
Right? Oh, it just he just stops.
Buddy. Just pulling in a tree trunk.
Yeah. Go.
Come on. Oh, see, now he's put the brakes on me.
Yeah. Bullshit. I ain't going up.
Jeepers.
It's wild.
There we go. Come on, buddy. You just want to see it.
Yeah.
That's all we want to do. Ooh. Come on.
Come on.
How many minutes we at?
14.
Oh, shit.
You're gaining, aren't you?
I feel like we've got to be somewhat. It's hard to say.
Right.
I look at the spool.
That's what I'm looking at. But then that thing breaks. Right in my face. Come on. And that's 4-pound mono?
I don't. This might be heavier. I don't remember what I put on this rod. I think this might be 8 pound. It's not mono.
Right.
It's fire liners.
Oh, sure.
This is amazing. This is not a walleye.
No. Sturgeon.
Yeah, it probably is. I'm not even kidding you.
Right.
My lure was sitting on the bottom. Either that or it's the biggest eel pout in the
Nation.
fucking lake's ever seen.
Right.
But I mean, it just feels like I'm pulling a tree trunk.
Yep.
I'm not even joking. Like, there's just nothing. It's just dead weight. As we get close, he's swirling a little bit. Gonna need a drink of my beer. God, like right, like I'm pulling and he's just like puts the brakes on.
Hey. God.
I'm getting thirsty just watching you, Sean.
That's how he's gonna take off.
Come on.
Like you can tell when he caches his chips for a little bit. Like he just kind of, you can tell he's just floating. He's gonna see your ugly mom.
Yeah, I know what. He's just gonna. Hell no. I was gonna say. Hell no. Boom. That's gonna be it.
Oh, Jesus. This is insane.
18 minutes, Shano.
Wow. Come on.
Hey,
Straight down.
lost everything.
Oh. Wonder what my beats per minute are.
This is why we train.
Yep. Come on, big old boy. Oh, he's just like dead weight right now.
Right.
Can't even move him. Yeah, it's just dead. Like,
Right.
he's still got some fight in him.
Right. It goes again that way.
Jeepers. Oh, this song's fucking awesome. He's just dead weight again. I can't even budge him. He's swirling around out there.
Yeah. I mean, he's straight down. He can't be more than 24 feet.
Oh.
Going good. How's it going?
Good. You got the big one.
This is 20 minutes.
Oh Christ, you got a sturgeon.
That's what I was thinking.
They caught like 2 of them in shallower the other day,
Yeah.
and then
What do you do with them? Take a picture and send them back?
take a picture and throw them back. Yeah.
Can you mouth them? I've never caught a sturgeon. Like,
There's no teeth on them.
no.
No. You can
Will he
grab
fit
'em.
up these holes?
Oh yeah. You may have to squish together a little bit, but
We haven't seen him, but he's like a log.
yeah. Yeah. He'll usually when he fights, they usually pull like this, slow.
Oh, there he is. Holy fuck, it's a dinosaur.
Yeah. It's a big one. He's ready too because he bubbled.
Oh,
There.
there he is. Oh,
There. I don't want to get my jacket. I'll reach down.
oh, there he is.
Let him swim away for a second.
Okay.
Holy crap.
There.
This is
We got the professionals in, Sean.
Hey, yeah, you showed up
timed
at the
this
right
perfect.
fucking time.
There.
Tell me where you want him.
Holy crap.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Biggest fish.
God.
There you go.
I gotta get a picture of that bastard and get him in the
Oh my
water.
goodness.
How
Holy
do I
shit.
hold this fucker? Oh my God. There you go. I can put my hands in there.
Yeah, there's no teeth.
Holy.
There you go.
Where do you go?
Now, some people get pissed if you grab them in there, but you can go right. Just make sure.
I don't
see his
sharp,
gills?
yeah.
They're not sharp. It's just you don't want to grab in the gill. You just want to go and put your thumb in his mouth.
Get him tight. Thumb in the mouth.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
kind of like that. Like that. There you go. Here. You grab that half.
Holy crap.
There you go.
We gotta straighten him out. Straighten him out.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, holy shit.
I'm videoing it, I think.